Hey everybody, my name is Brian Markowski, and today I'm going to be talking about how President Obama announced the BRAIN Initiative in 2013. So, as you can see, the BRAIN Initiative stands for Brain Research Through Advancing Innovative Neurotechnologies. And first I'm going to give a little background on what the BRAIN Initiative is. It is basically just a huge focus of research towards the human brain and how the human mind works. It's focused on revolutionizing the understanding of the human brain. One of the main goals is to understand more of the neurological and psychiatric disorders that are still pretty unknown today. And it's a 12-year plan, mostly run through the NIH, or the National Institutes of Health. And it's supposed to go from about 2013 to 2025. So there's a massive amount of funding that went into this program. Approximately $110 million combined contributions from three major federal research groups. One is DARPA, or the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, the National Institutes of Health, and the National Science Foundation. And there's also large donations from private sector partners. For example, the Allen Institute for Brain Science, the Howard Hughes Medical Institute, the Kavli Foundation, and the Salk Institute for Biological Studies. So as you can see on this slide, there's lots of money going into this research just for 1 year. So some of the areas that this initiative is focusing on is mapping the structure and components of circuits, human neuroscience and neurotechnology, including human brain imaging and MRI approaches, recording neuronal activity, and as I mentioned before, neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and TBI. So the NIH kind of laid out a little game plan for this BRAIN initiative. So the first 2 years is just mainly the planning stage, like planning everything out. The next 5 years is they're mostly going to focus on the development of new technology surrounding neuroscience. And then the last 5 years is when they expect their major scientific advances in understanding the brain. And the NIH also calculated that they think it'll cost about anywhere from $300 to $5 million per year to run this initiative. So here's a little quote from President Obama when he announced this initiative on April 2nd, 2013. He said, "We have a chance to improve the lives of not just millions, but billions of people on this planet, and through the research that's done in this BRAIN initiative alone. But it's going to require a serious effort, a sustained effort. It's going to require us as a country to embody and embrace that spirit of discovery that has made America, America." So President Obama is really big into this initiative, and he often compares it to the Human Genome Project. And he says he talked about all the good things that came from that, and he expects similar results from this BRAIN initiative. Thank you for listening.